What's up? So, today, in this video, we're gonna make sourdough pizza crust. This starter I fed last night. It was definitely ready. Probably earlier this morning, but that's okay. We're just gonna roll with this. I have a pizza party that I am hosting tomorrow. And I'm going to be making 6 pizzas. So, we're gonna attempt sourdough pizza crust. I have not made sourdough pizza crust before, so making it for a group of people, may not be the smartest idea, but I have a lot going on this week, and we're just gonna give this a whirl, and we're gonna see if it's good. And my friends will definitely let me know if it's good or if it's bad, because that's the kind of people they are. Also, I will not be giving measurements in this video because the recipe that I am following makes 4 crusts and I'm making 6. So I did the math to make 6, but I realize most people are not making 6 pizzas at a time. So I'm just gonna link the recipe in the description, and you can go at it with what you want. So I'm not gonna give measurements for simplicity's sake. So let's just get going while my tripod just does its thing. Anyway, oh, I forgot. Hi, I'm Linnea, and welcome to my channel. Let's go make some sourdough stuff. Alright, I am literally just gonna add all of the ingredients to this bowl, mix it up, and let it sit on the counter the entire day. And again, I'm sorry that I'm not giving exact measurements, just because I'm fully aware that most people are not making 6 pizza crusts. In reality, I'm just hoping this is good, because the crust that I normally make is always a winner, and everyone loves it. So if this one's gross, I'm gonna feel terrible. Okay. And I will do my best tomorrow to take some random video of our pizza party. And I'll do my best to let everyone know if this crust is in fact good. I can't imagine it would be bad, but you know, worse things have happened. Also, I've chosen to do this in grams just because it is a lot easier for the math. And per usual, I am not doing this exact. This is whole wheat flour, by the way. It calls for whole wheat and all-purpose, so that's what we're doing. And one of my friends that is coming over tomorrow is gluten-free, but she has always been able to eat my sourdough, and she's always been able to eat the pizza crust that I normally make, but that's because I let it ferment for 3 days. So hopefully she's fine with this one, but I'll let you know. Actually, I have decided right now that I'm not going to use this regular all-purpose flour. I'm going to use this fine pastry flour. It's Bob's Red Mill, which is stupidly expensive, but I did use this flour last week when I made my regular pizza crust, and it was really good. It was better than normal. So I'm just gonna go with it with this flour. All right, so I've added all of the ingredients. I'm gonna mix this up, and then I'm going to cover it and let it sit out on the counter the entire day. It's probably best if you make this at night, let it sit out on the counter overnight, and then pull it out the next day. But well, this is what I'm doing. So basically what it says to do is let it sit at room temperature overnight, but I'll do it for 12 hours in the day. And then before I put it in the fridge tonight, I'm gonna do a couple stretch and folds on it, and I will show you that. And then I'm just gonna put it in the fridge overnight until a couple hours before our pizza party, and that's when I'll pull it out and form all 6 dough balls. Okay, I got this food safe container like on clearance at Sam's Club, and it is quite large. So I'm gonna put this in here. I did put a little avocado oil on the inside so it wouldn't stick, but I'm gonna put this in here and let it sit on the counter all day. All right, it is about 10 hours later, and this dough started down here, and this is how much it rose. So I'm gonna do 1 set of stretch and folds on this, and then I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for up to 36 hours, but our pizza party is tomorrow. So it'll only be in the fridge for like, maybe, wow, look at that. Maybe 15-ish hours, but that's okay. Okay, so this was in my fridge for 15-ish hours, and this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I have had this sitting out for 45 minutes to get it a little bit warm. I'm going to form it into 6 pizza dough balls. And then I'm gonna let those rise for 30 to 45 minutes before we even make any of the actual pizzas. So, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, after making a giant mess, I'm gonna cover these with the lid and let these sit out for the next 45 minutes. And then we will start making the pizzas. I'm not really sure how much video I will take of making pizzas because we're having friends over, and I'm the one that makes the pizzas and also entertains people at the same time. So I'll do my best to take some sort of video tonight and show you all the pizzas that we make. All right, so people are almost here. I did make a pizza for our dog because he always gets one. But this is what it looks like so far. And it's been about an hour sitting here. Let's see if we can, yeah, they're looking good. We've got the uni going. You can see it out there. Got everything ready. So, if I remember, we'll have them try it on camera. If I remember. If not, there's just going to be like a random montage of eating pizza. So, it is what it is. Look at this bubble in this crust. This is amazing. Look at
Nice
this.
bubbles.
Look at that.
Delicious.
Delicious.
It's so good.
It is. I would recommend this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look at that.
Stunning.
Stunning. I think it's good now.